Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
This guide shows how to change call history time on an iPhone safely and clearly. First, understand there are three main methods available to alter timestamps. The simplest method edits the device clock without jailbreaking the phone. Back up your device first using iCloud or iTunes to preserve call logs and settings. Confirm you have at least one full backup before proceeding to avoid unrecoverable data loss. Follow the next slide for precise settings-based steps. Peel back about 1/2 inch of the protector backing to expose the adhesive. Carefully align the exposed edge with the Kindle top bezel so the protector sits centered. Maintain a consistent 1 mm gap from the bezel around all sides for perfect fit. Slowly lower the protector onto the screen, bringing it down from top to bottom. Press the center gently to adhere the protector first and avoid trapping dust underneath. Use a plastic card to smooth adhesive outward toward the edges, firmly and evenly. Inspect the screen for bubbles and debris immediately after application under angled light. Use a plastic card to push any small bubbles toward the nearest edge steadily and with firm pressure. For persistent bubbles, gently lift the nearest corner and reapply slowly while smoothing with the card. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the surface and remove fingerprints after application. Wait 24 hours for the adhesive to fully bond before putting the device in a case or exposing it to moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.